Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When your app is ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by choosing bottom left corner. Then click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Choose Settings at the top and tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Then check out all of those options. And when you're ready, tap on the top right corner. Then bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Set Wallpaper. Lastly, click on Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. So now when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!